Very good morning, one and all. Welcome to 5th standard maths class. Regarding the 5th standard maths class, in the previous class, we have discussed about international system. Regarding the comparison between Indian system and also it is in the international system. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about exercise 1.2. Clear? Regarding the exercise 1.2, first main, it contains 4 problems A, B, C and D. I will show A and B problem, you and C and D problem, 2 problem, it is for HW. Clear? Neatly complete the HW and neatly take the photocopy and send it to group. Clear? Regarding the first main, see here. Put the commas using the international number system. That means you have to put comma. You already know that how to put comma in the Indian system as well as it is in the international system. For Indian system, first 3 digit 1 comma, afterwards 2, 2, 2, 2. Continue. But in case of international system, first 3 digit comma, again 3 digit, again 3 digit, again 3 digit, you have to put comma. Clear? Put the commas using the international number system in this statement using the word form of the number. Clear? They given one sentence. Regarding that sentence, you have to take the number and you have to put the comma. Clear? First problem A. There are. Clear? There are more than. Clear? More than. See here. Species. Now it is a one number. It is given. Clear? Regarding the international system, first 3 digit, it is ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. After 10,000, it is 100,000. You already know that how to read the international system. Only one clue, 100 place we have to read separately. That means 400,000. Clear? 400,000. Species of the plants in the plant kingdom. Here answer for the first one, just you have to put comma. Clear? 4, total 50. Now we have to put comma. You already know that in case of international system, 3 digit, again 3 digit, finish. This is the answer for A problem. And same as it is B problem. There are about, same. There are about flowering plants. Again for this number we have to put comma. That is 200. Clear? 50,000. 250,000. Clear? Now we have to put comma for the B problem also. 3 digit 1 comma. Again remaining also 3 digit. It is finished. Clear? 3, 3, 3. Like that we have to put comma regarding the international system. This is the first main A problem and B problem. C and D problem it is for HW. Clear? Next we are moving on second main. Next exercise 1.2 second main. Exercise 1.2 second main. Write the following numbers in words. Write the following numbers in words. Clear? Nothing but regarding the second main they given in the standard form. we have to read the number in the international system and write in the sentence. Clear? Regarding the second main, total 9 problem it is in your textbook. Total 9 problem it is in your textbook. Neatly observe the textbook. It is in the page number. Neatly observe the textbook. It is in the page number 168. In the page number 168. Regarding the second main 1.2 second main, I will show A problem, B problem and E problem. See here. See page number 168. Clear? Page number 168. A problem, B problem and E problem. C, D, F, G, H and I. It is HW. Neatly observe the second main and neatly complete the HW, and also you have to complete the CW. Clear? Write the following numbers in words. Total 3 problems. Clear? Regarding the problem itself, they are already given comma. See here, comma. See 3, 3 remaining 2. Here 3, 3 remaining that much only. Here 3, 3 again it is 3. If the group is 3, 3 means, that means you have to write the answer. It is in the international system. Clear? Regarding the international system, you already know that this is ones, it is 10, this one is 100, it is 1000, this is 10,000. Up to this same. In the Indian system or it is in the international system, up to 10,000 both are same. After 10,000 it is 100,000. Next it is million. Next it is 10 million. Here 10 million. In the previous class we detailedly discussed about how to read the international system. Clear? Regarding the international system, you have to read the 100 places separately. That is very simple. Clear? Here first 3 0. There is no 100 place. Nothing but 100 million is not given. Clear? Only 2 digits. That means 30 million. Clear? Now answer for A. 30 million. First group is finished. Clear? Here regarding 3, 8 it is in the 100. Clear? That means how to read? 800. Clear? 100 place we have to read separately. That is 800 and 07. 07 means 7 only. 800 and 7,000. 800 and 7,000. Finish. Second group is finished. First group is finished. Now second group is also finished. 30 million, 800 and 7,000. Next year also 541. 500 and 41. Now this is the answer. It is in the international system. One thing you have to remember while reading the Indian or international system, 100 place we have to read separately. But in case of Indian system, only 100 place is only once. But in case of international system, each group 100 place it will comes. Clear? That's why regarding the first group, no 100 place. That's why 30 million. Here 807,000. 541. Clear? We come to second problem B. Same. This one you have to remember in your mind. Clear? Al mind or register automatically you can neatly write the answer. See here, ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. That means this it is in 100,000. Now it is in 10,000. Now it is in 1,000. It is 100. This one is 10. It is in 0. Nothing but ones place. Clear? How to read? 200. 200 and these two together 31,000 and 31,000. Finish. Next, remaining second group 400 and see 89 400 and 89 is the answer for the second one B. See here 200 and 31,000 489 finished. Same third one. I will show three different problems. Clear? Regarding the third one, ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. See here extra 3, 3, 3. Regarding the first and second class E problem, both are same. But regarding the A problem, 2 digit in the first group, here 3 digit. Writing all the problem has been same. Clear? Here 165. 1 it is in 100 place. 100 place we have to read separately. 165 million. Clear? The answer is for second one, that is 165 million. 165 million. 65 million. First group is finished. Next afterwards 1, 2 group same as it is like B. That is 900 and 3,000. 0, 3 nothing but 3. Next 900 and 3,000. 900 and 3,000. Second group is finished. Last 400 and 15. Last one 400 and 15. 415. Clear? Like the remaining problem, you have to complete in the HWO and neatly copy to your CWO. Regarding the exercise 1.2, last main, that is third main. Next exercise 1.2, third main, last main. Regarding the third main, A, B, C, D. Total 4 problems given in your textbook. I will show first problem and last problem. Nothing but A problem and D problem I will show. Remaining 2 problems, it is for HWO. Clear? Neatly observe here. Very neatly observe and neatly complete the HWO. Compulsory all the students take the photocopy and send it to group HWO copy. Okay na? And afterwards neatly complete the CWO. Okay? Now listen here. First one A. Write the following numbers in figure. Reverse. Second main they given in number that we have to write in the words. Here they given in words we have to write the number. Clear? Write the number. The first group, this is first group, 64 million. First group, clear? Second group, clear? First group, second group and 60. It is third group. Total 3 groups here also. Total 3 groups. One thing you have to remember while writing words into number, 100. That 100 is very important. Neatly observe. Total here 1, 2, 3 group is given. Okay na? You make it as one box. For if you use this box, you can easily solve the problem. Clear? In one box, it contains sub 3 groups. Clear? That is 1's place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, next 100,000 place, million, 10 million and 100 million. Clear? Now this is the first group, this one is second group and it is third group. Neatly observe. This one don't want, only take the box. Okay na? Now this is the first group, second group and last one it is in the third group. Now neatly complete the answer in the box. Afterwards we can write one number. This is the final answer. Now this is the answer for the third main first one. Now listen here. Third main first one. 64 million. Clear? 64 million is given. That means no 100 place. If 100 place given means, for example, is 6 given, 7 given means 764 million. Like that it will comes. If 3 digit means in the first group. Here only 2 digit. 64 million. 100 place not given. That means 64 million. This group is finished. Next here. 200. Second group. 200. In the 100 place, which digit? 2. Here 2. 200. 200. 19,000. 19 means 1, 9. 19,000. Clear? 19,000. And last group 60. 560 like that not given. 160 like that not given. In the middle 100 place is not given. Skip. Clear? 60 means 60. Clear? Here in the starting they are not given 100 million. In the middle they are not given 100 place. In the middle or in the starting they are not given 100 place. That means you have to take 10 because while reading the number we are skip the 0. When 0 comes, that time we can skip. That means 6, 4, 2, 1, 9, 0, 6, 0. You can put comma 3 digit and 3 digit. Now we can easily read that 64 million 219,000 and 100 plus skip 60. Now this is the answer for first one. Like that you complete B and C and we come to D. Same group. Again here also 6 million. One group. 44,000. Second group. 39. Third group. Third group we can make it as same. Afterwards, how many boxes it comes? You can decide that. Okay na? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Clear? Ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. This is the one. Now this one is second group. Now it is the third group. Clear? First group, second group, other one is third group. Here, regarding the first group, it given 6 million. Only one digit. Only one digit, that is 6 million. That means in the million place, we have to put 6. They not give us these two numbers. Skip. No. Clear? That means total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. Now D problem it is 7 digit number. First problem it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. Clear? 6 million finished. After that 44,000. Clear? Here they given 290,000. Here 100 place is not given. Skip the 100 place. 44,000. 44. 4. 4. 0 not given. Second group is finished. And 39. Again here also 100 place is not given. 39. This is 3. 9. Here 2 place 100 place not given. Take it as 0. Therefore, final answer is, you can put comma 3, 3, 6 million, 44,000 and 39. Clear? This is nothing but we are converting the words into the number. Today in this class, we have completely discussed about exercise 1.2 first main, second main and third main. Okay? Thank you. Thank you one and all.